Guys, my name is Yash and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a type of currency that is an unregulated digital currency which is not issued or controlled by a bank. It can be either centralized or decentralized. So let's start with an interrogation that are cryptocurrencies the future of money? So most of us say that it is the financial internet of the future. Following the explosive rise of their price and popularity, cryptocurrencies have come under increased scrutiny from governments and regulatory bodies, although the legislative field is still playing catch up with respect to players in the virtual currency arena. There have been enforcement actions and a renewed focus on the regulation of crypto activities and participants. Overall, the emerging crypto market is not only attracting retail investors but also traditional financial institutions and large corporations that are looking to profit from the emerging trend of digital assets. Accordingly, we are experiencing the greatest appreciation of cryptocurrency in history, and it is becoming clear the field is here to stay. Being able to access our cash very quickly is super important to us right now. It's possible to get filthy rich by investing in cryptocurrency, but you could also lose all your money. Cryptocurrency is a good investment if you want to gain direct exposure to the demand for digital currency and the project or business they facilitate. There are cryptocurrency markets like Square, PayPal, MicroStrategy, overall CM groups, you can say. There is also the risk that the crypto project you invest in will not succeed. There are thousands of blockchain projects and the competition is fierce. Regulators could also crack down on the entire crypto industry if more governments begin to view cryptocurrencies as a threat rather than just an innovative technology. Lastly, it is important to understand that cryptocurrencies and blockchain in general are cutting edge technologies. While that makes them exciting, it also increases the risk for investors since much of this tech is still being developed and is not yet proven in real world scenarios. Buying cryptocurrency is very much early stage investing, and investors should expect venture capital like outcomes in which the vast majority of crypto projects fails and become worthless. Only a small number of projects will ultimately succeed, and it's unclear if these big wins will be enough to offset the many losses. One solid option to buy the stocks of companies that are rapidly adopting this game-changing technique. So this way, I believe it will be the time changer business in upcoming smart era with the hope of great way to profit from the growth of digital asset trading. So thank you for giving me your best time. Have a nice day ahead.